Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog doors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ideal Pet Products Designer Series Original Plastic Pet Doors. If you are looking for an affordable standard door flap that will do the job for most homes, then Ideal Pet Products has the ideal solution. A simple-to-use manual door, the frame is made from sturdy and durable telescopic plastic, and the flap from a non-toxic tinted vinyl that is specially designed to hold up in extreme temperatures and won't warp in the heat and the hold. The vinyl is relatively light for your dog to push through, but a magnetic seal at the bottom means that it stays shut when it is meant to. If you want to keep your dog inside, the door comes with a separate lockout panel that can easily be slid into place. We would prefer if this was integrated, so there are no pieces to lose, but it more than does the job. This dog door comes in 4 different sizes to suit every size dog, and it also has an adjustable width so that it can be installed in any door from 1 1/4 to 2 inches thick. Installation is relatively easy, and the product comes with a 1-year warranty. They do recommend that you replace the vinyl flap of the door every few years to ensure it continues to work the way that it should. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ideal Pet Products Designer Series Ruff-Weather Pet Door. This door is a bit more expensive and designed specifically for homes located in colder climates. This dog door comes with all the same great features as Ideal Pet Products' basic option. The frame is made from durable telescopic plastic, and it is matched up with flaps made from non-toxic, temperature-resistant vinyl that is secured with magnetic strips. But instead of just one flap, there are 2 flaps, which create a 3-inch air pocket. This keeps cold air out of your home and provides insulation, maximizing the energy efficiency of your home. It is recommended that flaps are replaced every few years. The standard kit comes in 4 different sizes and is adjustable to work with standard doors between 1 1/4 and 2 inches thick. There is also an optional wall installation kit available. The kit also comes with a die-cut template in order to make installation easier. The door comes with the same separate lockout door that can be slid into the door panel to prevent its use. It also comes with the same 1-year warranty. At number 3, we have the Pet Safe Extreme Weather Pet Door. This is another door designed for more extreme weather environments, this time from Pet Safe. The door featured 3 flaps, including a special central insulation flap, which makes it 3.5 times better at keeping out cold, heat, and rain than a normal flap. The door comes in 3 different sizes and can be adjusted to fit doors from 1 5/8 of an inch to 2 inches thick. The durable plastic of the frame takes paint well, so it can be painted to match the color and decor of your home. There is a snap-on cover available to close the dog door and keep your dog inside, but it is sold separately. At number 2, we have the Pet Safe Wall Entry Aluminium Pet Door. Another great option from Pet Safe, this dog is specifically for those looking for a wall install dog door. This dog door is specially designed for walls and is adjustable for anything from 4 3/4 to 7 1/4 inches thick. It also promises to install easily without any framing requirements, and there are 3 versatile sizes available. The door has flaps at both sides that are held in place with magnets. The 2 flaps create an air pocket that keeps exterior air out and maintains the energy efficiency of the home. The door comes with a separate piece slide-in panel to lock the door for your dog's use. It is possible to buy a separate panel if you want to close up both ends of the door for additional insulation. The flaps are made from quality vinyl, and the frame from durable aluminum. PetSafe are so confident that their good will stand the test of use that they are offering a lifetime limited warranty. And finally, at number 1, we have the ideal pet product screen. If it is a screen door that you need to mount a dog door in, then Ideal Pet Products has another solution for you. This lightweight door can be mounted directly onto any screen, including screen doors, patio doors, and windows. Installation is easy, and most people should be able to do it themselves. It has a slim design that means it should fit most sliding doors without inhibiting the use of the door. The door frame is made from hard plastic, with its own mesh screen. The door is held in place using magnets when not in use, and has an integrated lock at the side that will stop the door from opening when you want to keep your dog in or out of the house. The main downside with this door is that there is only one size available, measuring 9 3/4 by 10.5 inches. This means that it is not suitable for large dogs, and their weight passing through the screen door would be likely to do damage to the screen in any case. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.